Hello, everybody, and welcome to this stream of mine. Today, I've been noticing that lately all my Twitch streams all my VOD just didn't appear for some reason. I checked the Twitch rules. It doesn't really make sense because I've activated the VOD recording, and I've also checked. I do have music in my games, so I'm kind of questioning what's going on. I have no idea why. All my VOD has been deleted except the ones that my highlights from 2022. So scratching my head here. I have no idea. Anyway, today I guess I'm going to stream without music just to give it a try and see if that's the case. But even that doesn't really make sense because on their website, on the official documentation, they just say that if it is a music strike, they're not deleting your VOD. They're just sending, they're just not publishing it and sending you an email about it. So that's not my case. All my VOD just disappear for some reason, so I have no idea. However, why not give it a try and test? And also, I've been working on, let's see. I've been working on a trailer, which is not the right one. Let's see. So this, I'm not going to play the music, but basically, it's just a combat trailer, pretty much. But I'm going to create another trailer where I speak. I already recorded myself talking on that other trailer. This one I made it today. I quickly made it because I need it for registration on console. I'm going to give it a try. See if they accept. If they accept it. So a lot of action. People are going to be able to see right away, right off the bat, that there is combat in the game. It is true that the combat appears very late in the game, which makes it awkward. I think a ton of people just don't know at all that there's a combat in the game. I mean, I think it feels alright. I think the combat feels alright because I thought this was funny that Toast was like falling off. Actually, Ram's gameplay is pretty fun. I had fun just recording this and skating around and hitting zombies. He's pleasant to play. Anyway, all right. I guess I can show you this also. Yashiki, that's for you. So I've been working on Godot on my own little project to learn Godot, and I've just added this little tail. And also, look at this, Yashiki. I've recycled the shop from Ameline, but the thing is, I've pushed the thing backward because the camera view is from top down, and because it is from top down, if it's flat, we're just going to see a white square, which is not much. I've been recently playing with VFX also and shaders. I'm learning how to use create my own shaders, and so far I'm having quite a lot of fun. So I'm able to do that kind of. You can see the little thing. I guess I can show you with. So if you shoot directly, it's like small damage, but if you charge it up, it's one shot. Boop. Yeah. Let's see. Tail, wiggle bone, needle. No, what I want to show is this. Yeah. So VFX, I'm creating my own shader here. I use both some code and some visual shader thingy. So the thing is, I can create those. Those are pretty cool. Hey, look at the star! Welcome to the stream. How are you doing? I'm all right. I'm right. I'm wrapping up. I'm wrapping up Neon Tail, and I'm creating the last some trailers showing the combat. I think the game is going to release January or February. I'm going to create a release event soon this month. Testing out the game and much better this day. Nice. Good. That's great to hear. Yeah. So as you know, I had to pick up a day job, but that's taking all my time. And the only thing I can do now, and I really want to, I would really love to get back to my own games, but that's not possible. I am doing, however, a tiny little project, learning how to use Godot because I'm migrating to myself. And yeah, that little mouse thingy that you just saw is me doing tiny games. At first, I was going for a bigger game, but I'm learning the engine too, so it's too much work, I think. This guy is really pleasant to play. His combat system works really well. Anyway, yeah, just showing my new acquired skills. I can write shaders now, kind of. Not an expert yet, but I'm slowly learning how to do this and that, which is really cool. It's pleasant. Let's see. So this thing, I can control the offset by moving that little thing. And yeah, I'm controlling my UVs, my fragment. Took me a while to figure out. I mean, shaders are the documentation are all over the place, and it's hard to find something that explains things clearly. At first, I spent a ton of time this week, just understanding what I'm doing with that UV. I kept thinking that I was moving the UV over the map and telling it so that you have that movement, but in that case, it would be impossible to, let's say, move the alpha but keep the albedo, because the UV is owned by the mesh, and if I'm moving the thing, the whole texture should move. That doesn't make sense to me. It's just after a while that I understood that the shader only manipulate the fragment, which is pretty much a pixel with more data. And from that point of view, I'm grabbing the UV of the mesh and manipulating it and applying it to the fragment. That makes more sense to me. Anyway, whatever. Funny that my game is good. My guess is going for Godot, a puzzle game of sort. Awesome. I'm going to have to find out how to play with VFX for my game. Yeah. I'm doing that right now. It's pretty fun. It's really fun. I'm having a ton of fun doing that. So yeah, so I have a bunch of those trails that all goes to the center here, and I'm just swiping this parameter to make it look like some soul is getting slurped in. I can show you the game actually. This I'm not going to remove, I think. I'm just testing out things. So if I can charge up, you can see it in the charging up VFX. There's like 4 little squiggly souls going inside. That's the thing. That's my shader. Yeah, I'm working that. So tiny little project. A lot of it's actually fun because okay. If I press up, I can shoot more. For some reason it doesn't register every time. 3 only. Okay, and I can increase the girth of my needles and also the piercing. So later on, it's going to be, well, like any survival game, there's going to be a ton of enemies and Narnia roguelike, yeah, survival, vampire survival, pretty much. I've been playing Death is something. Wait, what is the name? Death Must Die. And yeah, I've been having a ton of fun, and that's the kind of game I can really very quickly create. Like my first video game was Shoot 'Em Up, and my first 100% solo full solo game, and I was a 3D artist before that, so I didn't need to create any art. I didn't want to focus on art. My aim was to learn how to code, and the shmup, it was super easy. I think if I'm redoing this, I probably take like 2 days to write the whole code and be done with it and just create waves. That's it. Anyway, yeah, as you can see, this is the base of the game is done. Now I'm pretty much going to have my fun creating AIs. I'm thinking about and perks, of course. I'm thinking about an enemy that is ranged, and an explosive enemy that you need to be careful about and then let him get close. Else you get exploded and die very quickly. Yeah, that's it. Oh, I just added a tail today. I think I'm going to change the color. Make it neon. What is the main theme of the game? Okay. So this is the story of Mouse and Bear. They fight hordes of undead animals night and day, and so it is going to be a survivor in the sense that it's pretty much done. You just shoot enemies, they give you experience, the experience levels you up and you get perks, except that you will need to gather some resources. And at first the bear is going to protect you while you gather the resources. And then, of course, Bear is going to change into a boss, and he's going to become the bad guy, kind of. So, yeah, that's the idea. When you charge it up and you shoot 5 arrows, that's really powerful. Yeah, I think it's going to be fun. I need to add the cam shake, some VFX on impact. It's going to feel great, I think, after that. Yeah, the idea is like whenever you level up, you can craft something out of resources. But the system is pretty much the same as the survival game, vampire survival game. And yeah, it's... But I'm not going crazy in... it's going to be very, very cute and very... there's not going to be... anime babe, let's say. It's going to be, yeah, simple, fun, a little dark, indeed, a little dark, because yeah, your friend Bear with whom you play turn, and later on, I keep me in the loop. Sounds like fun. All right. I think I'm going to also make it so you can choose. We'll see. If I'm having fun and if I just want a game out, I'm going to just have it like that, and that's it. You kill your friend Bear, and that's it. Or if I'm having fun and I want to continue, what I have written is like later on you will find books about the undead, and yeah, at first Mouse and Bear was just trying to survive. But after the tragic incident, Mouse decides to go for the necromancer directly. And by pursuing the necromancer, you can decide if you want. You will find books about necromancy, and you will find things that allows you to revive Bear and have it as your friend. So you can choose whether or not you want to do that. That's an interesting idea. The more I digged into it, the more I found it new, fun things to do. But I don't know if I'm going to go crazy with all this. But because the main idea is just a fun little shooter like that. So we'll see. I think I left your Discord a while back. Could you DMB? Oh, I think you still. Oh, sure. Yeah, sure. Let's see. Boop. Whoop. Where are you? Oh. Huh. Where did I? It's been a while. Wait. I don't have you? Why don't I have you? It's weird. By typing your name, you don't appear for some reason. Maybe if I type star instead. Where are you? And where's your Discord? Weird. Can't find you. Oh, okay. Bolt King. Okay. Let me search. Oh, here you are. Okay. Let's see. Mm-hmm. Okay, never mind. I'll get it from here. There we go. And boom. Finally. All right. Yep. Invitation sent. All right. So I guess we could play some Neantel. So either I'm going to, unless you guys want me to, let's see, Neantel, boom. Want me to play some game instead, or I can just keep testing the game. I think the game is pretty much finished by now. I've fixed the small bugs that I found last week, like if you're grinding during the Thibaut von Badijk's marketing thingy. Wait, I need to... Boop. So yeah, because Twitch have been deleting all my VOD for some reason, let's try today to have a stream with no music. Sorry about that, but it's kind of weird. It's been bugging me for a while. They deleted all my VODs. I don't know why. It's weird. I don't think it's the music though, because they would send an email telling me things and this and that. So it's weird. And also Neantel's music, I own the license, so I don't know. Damn, it's so weird to play Neantel without music. Am I lagging? What did I want to do? Do I get VSync thing? I'm never sure about that. Okay. I get some weird like you can eat through your mask. I never tried that. This is the first time I saw I see this. Nah, I'm fine. I'm fine. Oop. Okay, I need to go here, and this is like, oh, I'm turning into a robot cyborg thingy. How old is Neon Tail? I think it's 2017. I think it's been a while. No, the lag. Okay, I think that's the VSync. Yeah, it's a weird lag. I didn't have it earlier when I was recording for my trailer. That's weird. Woo! Boop. Yeah, I don't know. Doesn't have as much peps without the music. Woo! All right, let's finish this. Because I'm on a mission right now, I need to release this game. Let's be serious for a sec about it. I was toying with the idea of going to play some game tonight, but I really don't have that much time actually. Even the trailer today, I don't think I would have any other time. Usually I would take 1 week, take my time and adjust the sound, adjust the really get the right clip, but I just spent some time recording myself and just went ahead and video edited the thing. Where am I supposed to go? I'll just take the MRT. Boop. This way. Boom, boom. Fix the elevator bug. I've also added a hotkey for that I need to remove later. For recording the videos. Those particles though. Now that I can write my own custom shader, wow, the LOD is brutal. Small bug, but maybe we shouldn't completely deactivate it at that distance. Oh well. Oh well. It's whatever. Okay, Netix, I'm turning into a robot. Haven't seen you for a while. Fancy a pizza from Cheese Rat? I pay, you go get it. How does that sound? Sounds good to me. Since I don't mind skating and you don't mind paying, we'll probably become best friends fast. Be careful not to drop the pizza on the way back. Alright. Go get the pizza. Yeah, I'm quite sure. I mean, the game really did... we did test it thoroughly and... like I was saying a couple of weeks ago, I played Star Citizen and I was amazed by the amount of bugs out there. I know the game is ambitious, the game is crazy, the game has this or that. and the game has complex this and that that my game would never be close to, but damn, the amount of bugs. It's just I wouldn't be able to release to let a game like that be public personally. Even if I'm an indie game and I know that my game is something I don't know, it's whatever, but it was kind of hard to watch. Although the game is really fun, I think it is fun, but you need a lot of time too. Would play again every free flight, but I don't think I'm going to buy it. It's way too. Oh well, too expensive for the amount of bug there is. But I'm going to play every free flight every few years and see where it gets. I got something in my throat that's annoying. Okay, let's avoid the cars. I think I can just skate faster than that. I can go to 10, I think. I don't have to be that careful. I don't think the minigame of the pizza delivery was really great. I should rewrite it. Alright. Yeah, that's not funny. That's not fun to play. I think what I need to do is put a timer. You're allowed to skate fast. You just need to be careful not to... Yeah, I wanted to try to do something with physics. I managed to do it. So if you get too much bumps, it's going to fall from your hand. But it's not fun to play. That was an error on my part. I got excited by the possibilities in features and code, but at the detriment of gameplay. I should probably go back and modify this. Allow you to skate as fast as you want, and use a timer to get the game in, and not have the game be not skating too fast. And here I go. Whoa, what was that? I'm a dynamite, baby. Yes, I'm a cyborg. You don't know that yet. Oh well. Plot. She believes I'm a cyborg. I think overall the game's pacing is not bad. I keep saying the same thing, sorry. I'm old. I really am. Okay. I should talk to Lero. Okay. Let's finish this. I keep wanting to go and play some other games. That's kind of funny because when I'm streaming, I kind of want to show cool things. And I think that's part of why I think it's fun to me to do, even if there's not many people watching. Even for myself, it's kind of fun to feel that way. However, well, today I gotta try to... Ooh, I forgot this. Ooh, this surprised me. That's good. That's great. So Ruby explodes at random times. And that works. It surprised me. I wanted it to actually surprise me. Maybe I should increase the time between each explosion. I think it's 20 seconds, between 15 and 30 seconds. That's quite a long time, actually. Oh, wow. You know. Dum, 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 dum. Okay, Lero is going to install a scanner on my drone. And yeah, that's fine. Oh well. Hey, Arthur Lee, welcome to the stream. Today I'm testing I'm finishing up the test. I finished a trailer today, combat trailer for my game. This is going to be useful for a couple of things. I'm trying to get the game on the consoles, and I'm going to announce a release soon. Probably going to be next January or February. The game is already finished, but I need to set up a bunch of release things, materials, and stuff. The game is finished itself, so that's the good. I just need to play test a few last time, and we're good to go. It looks like it will emit sound cue. Yeah, so I got the Neon Tail door scanner installed. And I think, nope, that's not this one. I really hate my icons. No, I cannot change my characters. Those are fine, but the emote one, I hate it. I cannot hate it. I need to change the color, I think. Oh, I'm exploding. Okay, drone scanner, radar type. Woo! I'm getting away from it. From my playtest and the feedbacks, this little game of Hot Potatoes scanner, it's actually pretty fun. People really get into it. Of course, showing it on stream, it's not much. But yeah, finding the secret door is actually pretty fun to do. I think it's... Oh, I'm getting away from it. I think it's here. Yeah, there we go. Yep. And the dissolve shader. As you can see. At night. The door the door is too bright. Okay. The door is way too bright at night. Alright. Minor bug. Still, somehow, after playing Star Citizen, I feel happy about myself. The amount of bug my game has. I know it's not Star Citizen, but still. Hi Ruby, it's pretty. It's pretty bright and glowy. Oh well. Although we did not wish to meet you again, we are glad to see you in good health. Your presence implies a need of our assistance. We believe some strange phenomenon have happened. What is this place? What happened to me? Why does my pizza explode? You came for answers. We did some researches and we believe that what we find will help you tremendously. He doesn't speak like he looks, actually. Hello. However, before we tell you, yeah, he's kind of boring. Maybe I should rewrite the character, because he's got this punk spike, on his head. He's kind of boring, actually. Maybe I should add him a mustache or something. We will help you however we can, if you agree to let me activate a special feature on the chip installed on your drone. The rule is simple. Anyway, maybe I should show you the mouse game. Now that I know I'm updating every week on this, but I'm actually having a lot of fun learning Godot and learning this also. Yeah, I'm learning how to write my own custom shader. In Neontel, the only thing I dared touch was Z-Def, but here I'm really learning how it works, and it's actually way simpler than I thought. I was always scared about it, but it's not that bad. And now I have a charged needle. Phew! So if I shoot my normal, I need a impact VFX. I'm going to have fun with that too, and a cam shake too. If I charge it up, they die in one shot. If not, 3 shot. I have some weird artifact when I shoot. Sometimes the arrow appears somewhere else. I think it's my pulling. Maybe it's premature for me to create a pulling system, but I'm planning on having a bazillion enemy on screen. So, and I can also increase the amount of arrows I shoot. And the piercing also, I don't have a button to activate it, but I can pierce more or less enemies. Increase the amount of arrows. Yeah. Bam. There you go. Anyway, back to Neontel. Sorry for the lack of music. Like I said, for some reason, I don't know why Twitch deletes all my VODs. I don't know why. I have no VOD whatsoever anywhere anymore on Twitch. YouTube, it's still there, so that's cool. But that's why today I'm giving it a try. I'm just doing the stream without music at all. We'll see if that's going to... If after this stream I'm going to have a VOD. Finally. So yeah, that's it. Feature activated. So they get into a deal. I get to understand what's going on with them. Hey Lucas, Lucas, bienvenue dans le stream. Merci pour la subscription, la souscription. La musique, elle m'a fait flipper. Par contre, c'est bizarre qu'il n'y ait pas le Toast qui fait ça. On devrait voir Toast qui fait ça à la place. Whoa, an alien. Hype. It's the first time I see one in flesh. I don't know about his or her design. It's alright, I guess. It's fine. It fits the world, but it doesn't really fit my taste, but it's not too bad neither. Oh well. I'm human. Seeds, okay, yeah, that's the talk. That's the big, the architect discussion, where it explains a lot of what's going on. Honestly, in the architect's discussion in Matrix 2, it's so badly paced. J'ai vu le toast. Je crois que tu as regardé ton retour trop tard. Ah, d'accord. Bon, bah ça va alors. S'il était là, ça va. Okay, so you're having I seem to randomly explode and pass away. Is there a way to prevent that? Yep. Give me those weird flying earphones. And then we're good to go. Okay. So, little Easter egg here. This is a little wink to the Messenger, which I had a lot of fun playing. And there's a QR code here, and there are some... I've hidden some Easter egg in the game. Hope you're going to find them. What did I do? I kind of forgot, it's been so long. The game is old now. The game is so old. I mean, Lero, Ring, those little things. Let's play a daytime, I think. Is there a... Ooh. 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 Oh, there you go. Hey, Mustachio. All right. Where am I? It's very rare for me to come here. Okay, I know where am I. I don't have the double jump. Okay. So... taking this off, taking this off. Ooh. New update out 2. Yashiki has been placing the rockets of fame on the Monument District. So all the Patreon, all the people who supported the games, they have their own rockets over there, or a monument. And yeah, thanks to them for the support. Wasn't enough to... we were talking about that actually earlier. You know, there's that guy who did Project Feline. He started around the same time as Neon Tail started, and but his game is progressing way slower than us. However, he did manage to become a, I guess, successful YouTuber, kind of. And it allows him to keep going while I had to stop the production and go find a job. Whatever keeps the boat still floating. However, I'm pretty much done with Neon Tail. I think he's still very far from finishing the game. So there's that. Pookie Lookie. Wow, the glow at night. The bloom at night is way too hardcore. I think there are sofas over there. Let me change it to daytime. Ouch. Boop. Funny because it looks like the lights are turning on as I close in. Yeah, here, there's a sofa here, I remember. No, okay, not here. I should probably buy the pin from, yeah, from the workshop. So you can buy a map pin to show up on your map. Let's go for midday. So weird to play without music. I wasn't a huge fan of midday at first, but because I wanted the game to be extremely colorful, but I guess it kind of grows on me. It's a bit boring though. Yeah, let's get... it's too boring. Let's get to sunset or midday, morning. Yeah! Saturation! Colors! Give them to me. Yep. Energize. Ok. Lucas. C'est mieux que Star Citizen, ça, hein. Lucas. Mes piétons, là, ils sont pas... ouais, ça va, je bâche, mais je rigole. Je sais que mon jeu, c'est pas Star Citizen, mais ils sont pas tous... Moi aussi, j'ai des piétons qui vivent, qui font des trucs, qui regardent les magasins. Alors... Ouh. Voyons voir où est-ce que je dois aller. Let's see where I shall go. I think next... I guess next is just checking my email. Hey, doggo. Stop rotating like that. There's a coffee shop just around the corner. Let's go. Boum. T'es plus proche de la fin que... Oui, mais ça, c'est pas difficile. Je pense que si je venais juste de commencer le jeu, à créer le jeu, je serais plus proche de la fin que Star Citizen. Du coup, ouais. Je pense que Star Citizen, il aura pas de fin, et je pense que la plupart des gens, ils sont OK avec ça. Non? Si, je pense. Thibaut von Dijk, opening a new business, let's go. Let's go. Yeah, I'm starting to have a lot of fun with Godot. I think I'm going to, I'm going to. So after Neon Tail, because I mean, because money. Wait, is there a way to get in from here? I don't think so. Okay. I think there's a way over there. What was I saying? Well, yeah, because of my situation right now, I'm going to create tiny games. I can only do that on Godot, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So the Dark Souls, like, I really want to do it, to create it, but I'm going to postpone the production of this one. Maybe for a while because of my situation. If I manage to get more time, so for the Dark Souls game, I need more time. I need full time. I need full time pretty much. And also I need to be more used to Godot engine, which is not my case. So I think it's a good thing that I'm doing the mouse game for now on Godot, because it's a very simple game. It's very the code. Nothing is complicated, and I can very quickly do it. And I'm having a lot of fun while doing it. So that's the core idea of it. C'est même mieux en fait. Ça veut dire nouveau contenu perpétuel. Ouais, en quelque sorte, Mais il y a des trucs qui peuvent pas se faire comme ça, selon le jeu, le type de jeu. Pour Star Citizen, je pense que c'est pas un problème. Mais pour des jeux, si c'était un RPG, ça serait été impossible. Les RPG, les histoires, tous les trucs où l'histoire est là. Imaginez, regardez. Alors, ouais, je sais pas. Le point fort de l'histoire, c'est des trucs que tu ne sais pas, et une fois que tu le sais, c'est plus là, tu vois. Mais Star Citizen, ça va de ce côté-là. Juste le fun de vivre dans l'espace, des aventures buggées. Il est là le fun de Star Citizen. Okay, toaster, arcade sticks, smelly shoes, and soda bottles. Collecticon. Okay. Toaster. Arcade stick. Ooh. And the last one, I need to jump. Oh, and I missed. It's fine, I can go up from here. Guess I can just jump. Woo! There we go. Got it. Pinky thing! Now you help me. I didn't even tell you this job pay you how much. I think this guy would be very fun to voice act. If there was a voice actor for this, but oh well. Bye! Congratulations! Money earned. Woo! There's a bunch of games I actually want to stream, but important things first, and also my time. I have no time. I have not a single time for myself nowadays. All my times are spent. All my 100% of my time. I have no free time at all right now. The only time where I get to play some games that is not for work. It's pretty much during the stream. Okay. If you ever need music for any of your game, I'm a composer. I do mostly orchestral music. Oh, okay. Actually, maybe the mouse game. We'll see. I'm still far from finishing it, but it shouldn't take that long. I think. No, it's going to take long because I'm only working. So. Did you know the mouse game, Mouse and Bear? The game I think is going to be called Mouse and Bear, simply because that's the main core of everything. It's all about the mouse and the bear relationship. And I'll think about the title later. It's not important right now, but yeah. Oh well, we'll see. We'll see. The thing is, this project, I'm actually working on it during my lunch break at my work. It's kind of, I don't know if it's sad or if it's good, but it's a way for me to relax from work because my work is very... very tiring, let's say. So I keep saying this, but I get some people rolling their eyes whenever I say this, but it's so easier to be a solo dev. It's so easier. I guess it depends on the company and it depends on where you work. But... And also last time I had that much responsibility, I had total control over the whole project, which is not the case here. So it becomes complicated. The dynamics of human resource is so complicated. Can get so complicated. I guess it depends on the company again. It's not sad. This is your passion and you're finding time to do it. Yeah, I mean, I said it's sad because, okay, I kind of overworked and got myself into a very weird state where I couldn't sleep. I had difficulty living pretty much. But I found a balance in that. The thing that I struggled the most at work was having a fluid production. Like I'm a game director right now. I was a producer and the company before that. When I was a producer, I had the total control. Now as a game director, I have all the responsibilities, but I don't have the total control, which is extremely difficult. But I managed to handle the dynamics to make it work still, kind of, hopefully, maybe, not really, but that kind of stressed me out a lot. And during lunch break I decided to really relax, and I found out that the best way for me to relax was to have a smooth progression because of my situation at work. So it feels kind of morally sad, but it's actually the best way for me to relax, actually, during lunch break. Having a smooth production over something I have control of because I'm 100% solo deving the thing. And things advances, and it feels good when it advances because it's dependent on myself. That's it. And if myself I'm doing the thing, then it's advancing and it feels great. I don't know. That's why I was saying it's sad. It's not really sad, but it's what it is. And also, yeah, I found my. Turns out that was what I needed. Now I feel better, a lot better, and I'm able to handle whatever again. Yeah, it was difficult for a while for me to handle anything. Oh, there's a race here. Okay. It's so weird without music, without music, it doesn't feel... music is so important for any game. Twitch, look at what you're making me doing. Why do you delete my VODs without sending me any emails and telling me why? Come on. Woo! Uh-oh. How am I going to get that? I think I can try to jump on this one. Ah, no! I can respawn with select. Yeah, I redid the game design of this level a few times. Because when you fell all the way down, it was impossible to get back up easily. I added checkpoints. Oh no. I guess I can make use of it. Okay, let's focus. It's not a hard jump. I'm just a little bit distracted, is all. Ok. Désolé Lucas, t'as écrit un gros truc, du coup je l'ai sauté. Star Citizen gère plutôt bien ça, il crée l'histoire en temps réel, le verse évolue un peu pour le moment, beaucoup plus tard, genre les tentatives d'invasion alien qui durent depuis 400 ans, qui en deviennent des events de temps en temps, ou les orgas pirates qui apparaissent et essaient de prendre le pouvoir, politiquement et militairement. Ouais, non, si c'est vrai. Le truc, ouais, c'est vrai que tu peux toujours rajouter des quêtes au fur et à mesure et rajouter à l'infini. Et de toute façon, je pense pas que Star Citizen ait une fin de toute façon. C'est le genre de jeu qui a pas de fin. Donc, c'est totalement. Ça suit totalement le. Rester en alpha pour toujours. I'm enjoying this too. Bring it on. I tested this mission a ton of times and yeah. Hopefully the players are going to feel the way I feel, that I tried to make it feel. I think it's not too bad. I think it works. Probably, maybe. My game, it's really a solo game. You really have to play it alone. And I'm trying to convey a bunch of different feelings through the discussions, while while keeping a good pace and not writing too much. And that's very hard to do, but I think it's working. Il n'y aura pas de fin, et le temps avance un peu à la façon de Stargate, le potentiel est infini, c'est ce qui me plaît. D'accord. Ouais, bon, ouais. Non, mais je vais y jouer, hein. Je vais y jouer à tous les Free Flight, je pense. Mais ouais, ça me bouffe trop de temps, je crois, pour moi. Je suis mal placé. Si j'arrête mon taf, oui, mais là non. I used to work around. Yeah. Natixta is mysterious. She's not going to tell you. It was a boring desk job, of course. She used to have an arc for herself. I would actually be happy to create a game for each of those characters I created within games within the games. Ooh, that's a bad jump. All right, let's try again. Woo! I jumped too high. All right. I suck at my game. I didn't need to do that. All right. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, oh, le piéton dans le mur. Rentre dans le mur, rentrez tous dans le mur. Non, en fait, en vrai, ça c'est des bugs, je m'en fiche complètement. Au moins, ils ont pas, ils ont pas des trucs bizarres que j'ai pris en screenshot. Mais il y a des piétons dans les murs. Bien joué, Star Citizen. Le point de checkpoint obligatoire dans les fruits, ça il faut. Pour le lore, pour l'histoire. Shouldn't have put the checkpoint in the middle of those fruits. I think we made a scram before they catch us. What should they? We're sorry. Kicking angry mobs. Alright. This is a dumb this is a dumb mission actually. Because you can just stay here and wait and they do nothing. So it's a dumb mission. But I think it's cute still. Still working somehow. Maybe. And also those guys are chilling while skating. I recorded those so all those are so I created a system named Ghost where you can it's pretty much like a racing game where when you're playing against yourself and you're playing against ghosts. So I'm recording myself skating around as Natixta and Obchelion, and then I play back those all the position, the animations, the VFX I trigger and stuff. I record all those and I use a playback. I cannot use the raw code from playing as an like an AI is controlling it because it becomes way too complicated and there are too many possible bugs that comes from an AI controlling it to go to a point I want him to go because that requires the AI to be very smart. The Go system is the best I could do at that point. Well, it works. It works. Works quite well. The thing with Neon Tail is it's such a huge project that has so many things. It allowed me to create so many systems. I have no idea how other companies do anything, but I created all my own systems to the dialogue system, the music system, the audio. I know a lot of people use Fmod and whatever, but I like to just create my own ways of doing things. It's fun to like I've said so many times. I'm just a huge creating creative nerd who loves creating, and video games is like the ultimate canvas. I'd say that a billion times, and that also include coding, creating systems. I know I haven't met an engineer that takes it's I mean, the engineer I've met, they're all very good. All the engineer I've met so far, they all have a lot of hardworking and very serious about the way they code and stuff like that, and get the job done and etc. But the way I code is kind of different in the sense where I kind of don't want. I do read about patterns and how other people do, but I kind of don't want to know. I kind of want to figure it out by myself because it's part of the fun I get. Okay, when I need to get serious about something, when it's for a work, when it's professional, I will. Of course I will, because I'm not here to have fun. But for my own game, I'm kind of here to have my own fun. So I don't want to know how other people do, and I want to create my own ways. And it's part of the fun. Like the grinding system, I have no idea how Jet Set Radio does, but I figured something out myself, and that was very very fun to to imagine a system that takes my object and cling to it, uses a hook and uses a curve, and then using the collider's shade to determine the direction your up is, the up, because you can do loopings and things like that. You can do vrille, you can do those kind of orientations. Oh well. I don't know. Yeah, I have that discussion sometime with other people. I don't know why. After I picked up programming and coding, my memory got very weird. I used to be kind of normal, not forgetting anything. I'm not forgetting anything when it's about about video games. But now, after picking up code, I tend to forget everything that is not related to video games for some reason. And I picked up the habit of noting everything on paper, which works fine. It's fine. Like Memento. But I also noticed a bunch of changes within the way I think about things. I'm a lot more. I don't know. There's that right brain, left brain thing. I think that's a real thing because I used to have a huge headache whenever I switched from doing art to doing code. Now I don't have it anymore, but I also have a very weird way of I don't know. It's not really weird to me, but it's not something I used to see. Oh well. The exam effect. You forget everything you learn over a year right after the exam. I don't forget the things I learn about video games, but I forget about everyday things. The everyday things I forget as they come. Like the name of this, where I've put this and that, etc. I don't know. Kind of annoying, but it's bearable. I think it's worth the trade. And now I can code games. It's worth it. Where should I go? Okay, it's here. Boop. One other thing that kind of saddened me for a while, but doesn't anymore. I think I'm fine now with it. That like the reason why I spent so many years learning all those skills is that I'm pursuing my dreams. Like my dream is to live off the games I create. I'm not sure it's ever going to happen. Hopefully, there's still a chance, but the hope is the only thing I can have. And for a while, it kind of annoyed me for a while that my skill became kind of just an information, and it kind of became a chat GPT for other people to create their games. But I think that way of thinking is it's completely wrong anyway. And also, it's the knowledge I acquired. It's very useful for everything, not only for my game but for living and deciding things. Often, I noticed that everything contributes to everything. If you know how to write lore, write stories, it's going to help you in some ways. Doing animations or drawing things and knowing how to draw things and knowing why this looks good in some situation is going to help you do other things. Everything is linked, and the more you do anything, the more it's going to help you do anything. It's kind of crazy. Even things that have nothing to, like coding also. I think coding is more abstract. It's like the way I structure some of the code or the way I draft some ideas comes from drawing, kind of, because I sketch. I put some. It depends. Some and drawing. I do both ways. So drawings help me. I sketch, I draft the idea, and then I get the whole pictures, and then I start to do the details. And the other way around too. When I draw, I tend to put coordinates, little crosses, where I want the each thing's precise thing on the paper, and then I start drawing. So it's kind of everything contributes to everything. It's kind of crazy. I should focus on advancing more and talking less. Okay, I should finish this. Well, I don't think there's gonna need to be any bug. Oh well. No, well, no. I should talk more actually. This is a stream. I'm taking it like a work. It's kind of. Whoop. Woo. Okay, soon I think I'm going to be more relaxed also. Anyway. First of all, the mouse game, it relaxes me like crazy. Advancing and seeing progress and seeing things. Now I'm feeling happy about myself again. Neon is going to release very soon, January, February. This is going to be a big load off my shoulder. And and yeah, yeah. I think everything's going to roll over time. I think I just need to. Yeah, I just need to adjust what needs to be adjusted until I find the right thing. Question: what price are you selling it for? Forgot. Okay. I'm not sure. I'm not sure actually. In Taiwanese dollars, it's like around 260, 300 maybe. In euros and dollars, I'm not really sure. Should be average indie game. It doesn't have as much chapter as I aimed to have. It doesn't have as much features that I wanted it to have, but it's still a reasonable, ambitious indie game. So cool. I'll buy it when it's out. Okay, thank you. Thanks. Thank you a lot. Yeah. I would love to create. We'll see. I could always, if the game sells well, I could always create DLCs, create more things, create cosmetics, outfits, little side stories, whatever, side missions. But the game has to sell well first. Otherwise, I'm just going to go on with my little projects. I mean, who knows? Marketing strategies. I can learn all the things in the world so far. Oops, wait. It's going down the slope way too fast. Come on. Okay. Whoop, boop, 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 boop. Whoop, boop, 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 boop. The zombies. They are appearing. They got these little teeth. Oh yeah. Damn it, that is this is so dumb. My game is dumb, but it's my game. Thank you for saying you'll buy you'll buy it. it it's not as awkward with the music. When the music's rolling, it's not that awkward. Right now, everything is awkward to be without the music. It's kind of funny, actually. Yeah, so everything has a very light mood. All the dialogues. Without this, it's kind of feels serious and it kind of feels awkward, I guess. But somehow with the music, it's yeah. No problem. I'll also promote it with my friend. Thank you. They love playing indie games. Awesome. Awesome, awesome. Yeah. So about business strategy. So at that point, you probably noticed that I'm trying. I'm learning. I'm learning. I want to become a better businessman, but I suck at it. I suck at it hard. I'm really into creation, and although I don't have that much, it doesn't passionate me, but I need to become passionate about it and start to really think about the business. However, whatever. Um, but it's so far everything I've studied. So when I study code, art, things are things. Things are like to do. There's a recipe for to create that food. Oh, here's another bug. Star Citizen is better game than mine. Camera cutscene's bad. Damn you, Star Citizen, why you better than me? Okay. What was I saying? Yeah. So yeah, everything I read about business is like there's no rule. There's no sure way to be successful. There are many things you can do to increase your chance of success, but there's no sure way. If there was, everybody would just follow it and get successful, and that kind of makes sense too. But what should I do? What should I do? There was this guy. There was that indie game lately that became popular and sold very well because it launched the same day as Starfield, and nobody wanted to be released the same day as Starfield, and just because this guy did the gamble and released the same day, and there was only Starfield and no other game. The game got on the front page of Steam for 2 whole weeks, and the game sold very well. So yeah, marketing. Yeah, what should I do? But now that that had some that word got spread out, maybe the next AAA game that's coming out, there's going to be 1,000 indie games coming out, trying their chance too, and see if they can get on the front page, and that's not going to work anymore. So yeah, marketing again. That's marketing. Smart move. It was a gamble. It was a gamble. Nobody released their game on a when another AAA game comes out, because there won't be any visibility. But because everybody knows that, this happened. So it's kind of weird. Yep. I guess if you need to hire only one person, it should be a marketing salesman or get a proper training. Yes. Well, I've been reading books and trying to take a look around. I really don't think there's a sure way to do it. So yeah, if I hire someone, of course, then we can have a discussion about that. But so far, I think right now, with my position, with my situation right now, what I'm going to do is pretty simple. Just create games on my free time, small games, tiny games that I can finish for sure. That is going to be fun for me to do, and hopefully, maybe maybe something is going to happen and my dream will come true. Who knows? Just whack the guy. Wata! Ooh. Yep. Pizza time. Oh yeah, I need to go back to the garage, right? I think I've put a pin. No, I didn't. Okay. Oh well. I got some, yeah, my throat kind of hurts because yesterday I had heartburn, heavy heartburn. So the thing is, I cooked myself something extremely fat. Chicken thighs. I cooked it with butters because I like to cook with butters. I shouldn't have done that. I usually do that for how do you call this torso, chicken torso. You don't say chicken torso in English. You know what I mean. Chicken breast. uh, but chicken thigh, yeah. And for some reason, I had very severe heartburns yesterday, and it kind of went up all the way out to my throat. I don't know if you have heartburns. Heartburn is kind of weird. Chicken torso, yeah. I don't know why I said chicken torso. We don't even say that in French. Torse de poulet. Mm. Anyway. Yep. We were about to start eating. Yeah, pizza friendship. So this is the pinnacle of. It's not really. It's whatever. It's a cute little scene from the game that comes back later. Yes. Yes. The pizza of friendship. I don't even know what chicken breast is. Bah, c'est du. La poitrine de poulet. Putain, je sais plus parler. How do you say it in French? I'm not even sure. Oh man. Anyway. Maxi Cheese Burst Ultra. The pizzas of the future. They have names like that. Blanc de poulet. Oui, du blanc de poulet. Pourquoi on dit blanc de poulet? Mais oui, c'est du blanc de poulet. Bien joué. So in French, we say the white of the chicken. I don't know why, but I guess meat is white. It's kind of a weird. Oui, c'est ça, hein, c'est ça, blanc de poulet. I don't know why it's called like that in French. Anyway. Tu es étonné? Tu es étonné que je cuisine au beurre? Okay, the zombies are back. Pizza, pizza, zombies, 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 mixy, pizza. Yeah. So turns out, do you have that issue, heartburns? I've had that issue for a long time. Acid reflux. I'm not sure how to handle this. It's annoying. Yeah. Wait a minute. Where should I go? What's next? Oh, we are hiring. We are hiring our team. So this is when in the game you will be able to play as other characters. I planned for it to be a very long phase of the game, like half of the game you would be able to switch between each character. But as you know, this became only just a little feature that is not used at all, and it's such a waste. I would love to have more just have more content for each of those characters to have their own missions. That would be so much better. Oh no, it's not that yet. What I'm saying, the game is longer than. Ooh. Those were the sound of zombies spawning throughout the course, throughout the path. Whoop. So yeah, like I've created a dialogue system for this game, and oops. And I think it's completely different from what is done in the industry, but I have no idea how it is done usually. But I'm starting to learn for professionalism, but yeah, that's one of the things. Sometimes, yeah, there's a lot of quality in being like how I am, but it can be problematic when used in a professional environment. But I think it's still understandable, I guess. So I just need to explain all the things and just not use my indie ways when I'm not supposed to. My game is way longer than It's actually. Yeah. I think it's a really reasonable price for it. Thought I could speed run it in 2 stream sessions, but I think I'm going to need 3 or 4, to be honest, from what I see. Maybe I'm going to finish it on my own, and next stream I'm going to play some games. Kind of want to do that instead. Obtrillion! Oh, did you know? Little fun fact. So this thing here. This is Blue Pearl City. And I'm actually using this to create the minimap you see on the bottom right. So I don't know how other games create their minimaps. And I think most of them are doing it by hand. But me, because I also do 3D art and I also do the code, I kind of used, I just took the whole Blue Pearl City, decimated it into a extremely low poly, like that, and I just reset all the UVs from the side, and all the roads are going to be one color, all the buildings are going to be another color, and etc. etc. So that's how I did my minimap. It's not pretty per se, but it's efficient and very quick to set up. This was done very quickly. But again, like I said, there are a lot of things I really dislike about my UI, especially this. No, this is fine. No, this is meh. But this, oh, I don't have it yet. The right one, the emotes. I need to redo the icons, and even the UI in general. Not a huge fan. Oh well. Why is the camera view? Okay, another bug, tiny bug. So the camera is, I think this is a camera view from Toast. I must have copy pasted the code for this mission to accidentally copy paste the Toast setup. So most dialogue have an automatic camera that is set by default for all the characters. But when I'm talking to Toast, because Toast is small, I add a little one line of code where I move the camera down. So we got a Ruby butt shot. But then I probably copy pasted the line here too. Okay. All right. Oh yeah. Some tutorial. And zombies. It's a perfect shot, I guess. It's culture. Let's see. Last one is near the garage. Okay, let's finish this, get into the combat. So the new trailer that I did is combat. Because so that's a discussion. Let me show the trailer that I did. I cannot play the music. Wait, where is it? I cannot play the music because Twitch, but wait, give me a second. Where did I put it? Oh, here it is. Okay. So it's action, combat. Right away, you get some combat because the thing is, the people who check Neon Tail's store. So as you can see, this is full of action. It's you're attacking all the time, cutting everything, so it's there's never a downtime. I think it looks pretty nice because it's impactful. It's just impacting after impact after impact. The magic of video editing. And I keep it short with it's 1 minute 30, I think. There's me streaming here. Gunshot. You can also shoot without aiming. Throwing things and then use a huge bomb. Baseball bat. I did this one's kind of suck. I don't really like Obsidian's footages. And Rams is actually very fun to play. So yeah, this is the new trailer I've been working on today. the only day I can work on it was today. So usually I would take more of my time, create the footages, take 1 week and slowly do it. But as you can see, and here I'm missing the end, but that's it. 1 minute 36 seconds. That's it. And as you can see, the beginning, I really want to smash the idea that the game has combat. So yeah, that's the issue. So combat is a huge part of the game, but it only appears at half of the game. And for this reason, I'm kind of killing half of the, maybe a ton of audience are not going to buy my game because they don't know that there is combat in my game. But for some part of me wants the player to want it to be a surprise for the player, like, whoa, there's combat in this game. That's awesome. But marketing wise, yes, it kind of makes sense. People are not going to buy it. People that want combat with roller skating are not going to buy it because they don't know. So yeah, that's this thing. And I also recorded myself speaking about the game, so I'm going to create another trailer that is going to be pretty much illustrating whatever I'm going to say. It's a different trailer. This one is just that's it. A little bit of it's still a roller skating game because the trailer is going to be before the first thing the people are going to see. Yeah, so if I'm doing combat only, nobody is going to see that it's going to be a roller skating game. So back and forth. Anyway, hi Philly, happy I was able to catch the stream. Hello, Cut Napping. How are you doing, Napping? Trailer is looking great. Love to see how this game has progressed over the years. Thank you. Yeah, it's going to release. It's going to release January or February. We have yet to decide when exactly. I don't think I should release on the AAA on Christmas Day, where all the big titles are coming out. So probably January or February. I don't know. We'll see. It's true that you have to play a long time before any combat happens. Is it bad? I feel like it's fine as long as the player is having fun. And I feel like what I gave the player to do until there's combat is fun. So, however, if the player knows that there is combat and gets impatient that it happens, the game is not going to be as fun. I'm kind of worried about that, but either I choose to sell to try to get more audience to play my game, or the people who played my game are going to be more happy, have more fun. I don't know. It's a difficult choice. Oh well, it's not, the camera. Okay, I copy pasted all the. Yeah, there are many missions where I copy paste everything because they are very similar. So when one bug appear in one mission, it's going to appear on several others. The bug I fixed last week actually with Tibalt von Badijk when he talks to you suddenly when you're grinding. I fixed it and I checked through all the missions. It was all over the place. I just copy pasted everything. So I fixed everything. It's working now. But the thing is, it's also easy to fix. Just check that line of code everywhere. There you go. Why is there a yellow circle over there? Let me check it out. Oh, it's like, okay. Hello, these are. So violent. That's me, the culprit. I'm happy release is right around the corner. Hard to believe I've been a Patreon supporter for like 2 years now. Thank you so much for this, actually. We've updated all the Patreon rockets in the Monument District. And of course, you are over there. You've got your rocket. Thank you so much. Let's see. Where should I go now? Okay. Let's take the MRT. Yeah, I can't believe it's been so long. The game is. Did we start in 2000? I think it's 17 or 16. Is it 17 or 16? It's been a long time. If I had to redo, I think first of all, I would be more careful about the early access, first of all, for publisher. And I don't know. Not sure what I could have done better. I mean, there's a ton of things I could have done better, but what would have worked for sure? I don't know. What would be something that would have worked for sure? Because who knows? Even if I didn't went to early access, and the game got a publisher that gave me money for a while, so I can finish the game properly and have everything I wanted in. Who knows what issues might have happened with a publisher or not? It's very hard to tell. If there would, I don't know. I can remember playing it that first demo back in 2018. Okay. Also, definitely been in a while. Yeah. Oh man. Wait. I think I got very old footages. I want to check it out. Let's see. Let's play footages. What is this? The tutorial. A very long time ago, this was the tutorial. Wait, let me check. Do I have... I have... Wait a minute. ...2018. I think I have even older footages. Let me take a look. Let me search. When the whole thing was a prototype. Never mind. I'm seeing dumb things. Let me just show it. Yes, this is dumb. Just recording myself. So yeah, I was blending animations from idle to walk, and turns out my idle was a T-pose. So that's right here. Let's see. I think I have a Christmas one. Oh, it's not here. Wait, I found it. It's over here. Ooh, it's loading. I've got all things here. No. No. It's not here. Never mind. Where is it? Oh well, I should have it. Wait, I should have it. I just don't know where it is. Hmm. I want to show the prototype things when the game was still a prototype. Like, oh, I think I found it. Sorry about that. No, wait. Mm, 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 mm. Those are devlogs. Pre-prod. Oh, there we go. Hoo-hoo. That was the very beginning. There wasn't even skating physics. And then we started to move around, skate around. There we go. The prototype. Wow. When was that? That was a very long time ago. Let's see. I think I have the city was still in blocks. Wait, is it this one? I don't think so. I already had the wall ride. And I think she used to do a little roll when jumping. Oof, bad animation. Yeah. Yeah, that's it. Oh well. It's fun going down memory lane. I had just graduated high school when I first heard of Niantel. Now I'm also oh wow. Yes. Oh yeah, I was implementing the damage, so you can get hit from any direction. I was creating animation for every situation. So code-wise, when you get hit in the air, you would enter a falling loop and detect a ground nearby, etc. That was a long time ago. Yeah. What is this? 42 prototype. Oh yeah. This was the Zombini's first version. So the zombie it was always a yellow weird thing. Then it became a Zombini. It became a beanie and directly uh, fall on the pedestrian's head. Yeah, welcome to Blue Pal City in the making. Wow. When was that? I actually got a bunch of those. Oh yeah, I was implementing hitting pedestrians, so I could hit them. I could. What could I do? Yeah, I just implemented the grind. I was very proud of that. And yeah, you can recognize this street. Yeah, you had a dash. There was a dash at first, and there was two type of dash. I didn't know which one I wanted. One was like this sort of engine boost, and the other was like a dash, a clean dash. The shopping district was like that. Super interesting. Woo! And that was Christmas. And we had the beginning of the shopping district. We're starting to have more and more. There's a little dog here. Well, we were testing out ideas. I think this thing was here for a while. And those three poor pedestrians kept getting smashed by me. Yeah, a world of white, of tofu. This is Tofu City. Boop. Those pipes were actually fun to grind around, but it didn't make sense. But it's kind of fun to grind up and down. This here really needed the grind. It's very hard to stay on track. It's like the Rainbow Road from Mario Kart. What else do I have? Oh yeah, I had the wall ride already. I wasn't as talk. Yeah, that was a long time ago. I was another person completely too. Troop skating around. Yep. Business district. I was starting to explain the things I was doing. Oh, what is this? Energy up. Oh yeah, that was the neon thing. I had that system. I created. Oh whoa, completely forgot about that. So you could mark. What the hell was that? I forgot. I have no idea what I could mark. So I could. Yeah, I could throw cards. I could throw. I could throw neon tail cards on to mark something. Oh yeah, I was testing braking. So back then there was a button you can press to just stop yourself, and you had that animation. This, but it kind of breaks the flow, and it kind of yeah, and this also looks cooler doing that, and it feels better. It feels a lot better. So I decided to delete the manual brake. The Mirror's Edge vibe more than Mirror's Edge Catalyst. Yeah, I mean, it's easy to do the vibe, just don't do textures. You got it. Dialogue system, yeah. Back in the time. The pen stealer. Man, that was the beginning. Hello, me from a long time ago. Oh yeah, the curve now is smoothed because back then you were like that completely. That was RAM back in the days, and you had to run after him, chasing the dude mission. But the world started to shape up. It was kind of cool to skate around and having a real city. It feels actually. It's bad to say, but without the texture, it feels a lot more sci-fi. With the texture, it feels cheap. Yeah, that's weird. It feels cheaper with the textures because our textures are very simple. It feels cheaper, while it's a lot of work. I absolutely love seeing all this early stuff. I should do more streaming like that then. I get a ton of things I can show actually from all my prototypes and all my testings and stuff. But I didn't record. I can only show live. Neontel, I did record for the devlogs and trying to get a community too. I believe back then the only place where I posted that was on Facebook indie game group. First of all, I've never been a very more now, more conscious about that too, and I'm trying to work on caring about community and socializing and things like that. But as you might guess, for the longest time, I'm still a guy behind the screen and just don't talk to much people, which is totally fun to me, but it has its downside. Now, if I'd read this video, I would talk rather than write the text. But back then, I couldn't. I couldn't do that. I changed a lot. Everything changed a lot. The particles on the shoes. That's funny. Most of the animation were done back then already. I haven't touched the animation much after this. Wow, she used to jump a lot higher though. Yeah, I could really go anywhere with the wall ride. All right, and here we start to get texture. Yeah, it is kind of cheaper with textures. It looks cheaper with the textures. Some for some reason. I guess because it's like the old NES games. When back then with 3 pixels, you look at the pixels and you imagine the sorcerer or the or the mecha and everything. Your mind just imagined the thing in an epic way. I think the same goes for the textures. When it's white, you can imagine what it's going to be. While when it's textures, but it is what it is. But it kind of makes sense. It's the same with reading books and watching movies. A lot of the time when I read the books, it's 1,000 times more epic than when I watch the scene in the movie. But it's also it makes sense. Also, words only tells you what it is. Yep, fun times. I remember I recorded imagination is a powerful tool. Yes. Yes, it's the best tool ever. I do catch the guy, I think. I think I did a cutscene where you catch the guy. Yeah, so this mission he just circle around the town and you have to catch him. I removed it because it doesn't really make sense. It's kind of fun though. It was kind of fun. Gotcha. Yep. Very anime-like. Oh man. Oh. That's because you have imagination, creativity. Yeah, I guess so. I mean, I don't think so. Many people believe that it's something you're born with. I don't really believe when you're born in an environment that makes it natural for you to acquire it. That's one thing, but I don't think you're born and you have it. More like you acquire it naturally from your environment, uh, maybe. Oh, TGS. Yes, it was weekly. I did weekly videos. Man, I had all the time in the world back then. I was explaining how to skate around. That was so hard to explain to people. for some reason. Maybe. Yeah. When you think about it, all the creativity and imagination is process. It's all processes, but I think many people that are creative have difficulty seeing the process in itself because yeah, it's the right brain left brain thing. Uh, Never break the flow. Her hair. I remember her hair. I spent months on that hair. I spent so much time trying to get the physics of that hair working. So like everything else, I tried to do it myself. Uh, I made it work. Actually, it actually kind of worked after a while, but then one day I just tried a random code on the internet. I put it, it worked better, way better than mine. So I'm like, okay, I'll just use that. So now the ponytail is using proper physics, but I almost made it work. The thing is, I couldn't make it work realistically. The only thing I could make it work into was like it's floating in water, something like that. The collision too. It's kind of a yeah. I imagined how I would write the physics for the ponytail and started to write it. It kind of worked. Oh, it's the same video. What is this? Still the same. I was changing the the HUD. City was slowly getting textured. The jump was so high back then. You cannot do that anymore. You can jump directly on this. Ruby had legs of steel. I think that's it. I used to make one video every week. I didn't keep them though. Keep all of them. Oh yeah, I was implementing emotes and camera. All right. I don't think I'm going to. All right, I'm. Let's watch this. I don't know why we didn't keep those pipes. They are kind of funny. I guess they aren't. They really don't make sense. The flash was fake. You didn't save any image. Now you can save screenshots in the. So when you take screenshots in the with the camera, it's going to save an image of the game in your Neon Hell folder. I don't know if you know that. It's kind of a useless. It's kind of a useless feature, but it amused me, so it's in there. All right, all right. I think I'm going to call it the stream and bonk. Deal. Give it to you. So later you can buy dangerous tools from a crazy adult. Okay. Enjoyed the stream. Thank you. That's cool. That's great to hear. Hopefully, Twitch this time is not going to delete the video for no reason because I played without music. And next week, yeah, maybe I can show around on my project prototype if you're interested in that, or I'm going to play some games or talk about things. I don't know. We'll see. I'm probably going to have some progress done with the mouse game too, creating shaders and stuff. All right, I'll see you next week then. Thanks for watching. Lucas, take it away or something. I don't know. Yeah, sure. Take it away. Thanks for all the work you do. Hope you have a great day. Thank you. You too. Return to the Neon Tail shop. Save my game. Coffee shop. Yeah, okay, never mind. Here we go. Boop.